Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Totally Arabic. My name is Hisham, an Arabic teacher and founder of Totally Arabic. I'm delighted to announce that my complete course for reading and writing Arabic is now available to purchase. Now, for a small fee, you can start your learning journey with ease and confidence. The course has everything you need in one place, explained clearly, and at a pace you will enjoy, starting from the basics and progressing to a slightly more advanced level. It contains 58 videos, course notes on PDF, detailed videos on how to produce all alphabet sounds, lots of reading practice, tests, and written examples from Arabic literature and the Holy Quran. All this at an amazing price. I'm providing you free preview of Chapter 2 so that you can see for yourself the high quality of this course. The course is designed in a step-by-step approach. Each step is connected to the next, first focusing on understanding and then moving on to practice. The aim is to make you confident in reading. Every student who has bought and completed this course is now able to read Arabic, starting with the 400 words provided in this course, then moving on to other books and the Holy Quran. Since the sessions are recorded, you will be able to watch each lesson when you choose. I will support you by answering all your questions. I'm here to prove to you that learning Arabic is not as hard as many people perceive. You just need to make the time to watch the sessions and, most importantly, repeat the practice units. This way, you will get the results you want without spending a fortune on a private tutor. For full course information and to buy the course, visit totallyarabic.thinkific.com/courses/read. The link is in the description below. See you there. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.